fascinating life forms. In the past, when you witnessed our probes, you referred to our ships as unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. Peter Quill told me that many of you Terrans still believe that interstellar space, the outer limits of your sun's gravitational pull.
It's an efficient way to navigate Xandar.
And then horror nights when you're there all the time.
Our cultural and art centers are renowned throughout the galaxy. Xandar offers a variety of entertainment that reflects our diverse population.
Thousands of years ago, the first citizens of Xandar.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayam, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
This plan's never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
From existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
We got the generator.
attention? Melody, leave the Star Blasters. We haven't been paid, but not for long.
Coordinates for Epcot.
It's Epcot. Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired.
I don't care.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that cake toast?